So guys, now on our gold for today, as you can see that our price is actually moving, it is actually failing to break above here. Let's see it. As you can see, our gold has actually fallen, and we can see some key level here, and it is actually giving us like a false breakout, but it's actually not pushing up. This is an indication that our price is probably sooner or later going to be falling. But before that, before we actually see a fall, let's go and analyze on our 4-hour time frame where our price will be moving for today. As we can see, we will be marking this place as our resistance area. As you can see, price comes here, pushes down. You can see some rejection here. Take out, just overlook all these false breakouts, as you can see, and we can actually mark it as our support whereby our price is coming to that. So possibly we would want to be ranging with this market, so we can wait patiently. Our price pushes up a little bit, hit our resistance before we actually not take our sell down to our support. Or you can actually wait patiently. There's no need to of rushing. You can actually wait for our price to actually fall, hit our support, then we can actually not take our buy position straight up and hit our resistance. So it's just a game of waiting. Wait when our price give us our prediction, what we are planning to trade, our setup, then we actually take it, either a buy or sell for our gold for today. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.